Are you looking to master data structures and algorithms? You've come to the right place. Let's dive into the top 5 YouTube channels that will help you ace DSA. Hey everyone, welcome back. Whether you're preparing for coding interviews, improving your problem-solving skills, or just diving into the world of computer science, understanding data structures and algorithms is crucial. Today, we'll explore 5 fantastic YouTube channels that offer comprehensive and engaging DSA tutorials. Starting off our list at number 5, we have MyCodeSchool. Known for their clear explanations and engaging whiteboard sessions, MyCodeSchool simplifies complex concepts, making them easy to understand. Their playlist on data structures is particularly popular among beginners. Next up at number 4 is CS Dojo. Run by YK, a former software developer at Google, CS Dojo covers a wide range of DSA topics with practical examples and coding exercises. YK's teaching style is approachable, making even the toughest concepts digestible. Coming in at number 3 is Abdul Bari. His channel is a treasure trove for DSA enthusiasts. Abdul Bari's detailed explanations and step-by-step approach ensure that you grasp the fundamentals thoroughly. His videos on algorithms like Dijkstra's and dynamic programming are especially renowned. At number 2, we have freecodecamp.org. Known for their extensive and free coding tutorials, FreeCodeCamp offers in-depth courses on data structures and algorithms. Their content is well-structured, with long-form tutorials that dive deep into each topic, perfect for a thorough understanding. And finally, at number 1, we have GeeksforGeeks. A go-to resource for many coders, GeeksforGeeks provides high-quality tutorials on a wide array of DSA topics. Their videos are concise and to the point, making it easy to learn and revise quickly. Plus, they have a massive collection of coding problems and solutions to practice with. And there you have it, the top 5 YouTube channels to master data structures and algorithms. Be sure to check out these channels and start your learning journey today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow learners, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!